Hey, what's up guys? I am Evan from One Balay, and this is One Balay Tours here in Samal Island. So hey, what's up guys? Welcome! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Samal Island to showcase you one of the best investments, which is Island Hills Beach Resort Santo Niño. Actually, this subdivision is 850 feet above sea level, kaya may seasonal fog siya at very mahangin. Hindi ko nga ma-arrange ang buho ko eh. So okay lang yan. And actually, this is a 2-lane road, but the proposed is 4 lanes siya kasi nga city road. Wala na tayong problem dyan kasi yung property natin is may setback na. This subdivision has 2 phases. May phase 1 and phase 2. And ngayon, nandito tayo sa phase 1, which is divided by the city road. So, ayun ang isang part ng phase 1. And also, ang isang part na naman ng phase 1, which is nandito ang amenities. Eto, may gate din siya. So this is the security post, the gate. So by the way, if you recognize the street signs, eto, brand siya ng luxury cars. So for example, Audi, no? Audi Street, dito siya. Ayan. So, eto naman, kung saan ako naglalakad, Lamborghini Street ito. So, meron tayong concrete roads, underground drainage, and also solar lights. Ayan. So guys, wala na tayong problema sa mga kuryente, sa tubig kasi ayan, ready for connection na yan siya. Meron na tayong electrical posts. So ngayon guys, nandito na tayo. Oh, sobrang napakahangin, teka. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa amenities and this area is actually 7,200 somewhat there, 7,200-ish square meters. So napaka-generous ng ating developer. Ayan, so may gazebos tayo dito. Ayan, pakita natin. Okay, so nandiyan na din yung basketball court at under maintenance na pool. So tara. So eto, if you have a family and you want to enjoy the picnics and also yung barbecues, pwede kayo dito and provided siya with solar lights. And eto yung 2-story clubhouse. And actually guys, some of our clients have enjoyed this already and they held their birthday parties, mga kasal, and other events. And if you're one of the clients na din, you can just, teka, napakahangin. You can just request the office, no, para magamit nyo itong clubhouse. Tara, dito tayo. Napakalawak ng ating amenities, napakahangin. Oy, One Balay, hi daw, One Balay. Hi, One Balay, hi. So talaga guys, akit tayo. Akit tayo sa 2-story clubhouse. So sorry for my power bank. So dito na side, guys, and dito yung natin, comfort rooms provided for the clubhouse. Kasi may mga guests tayo dito na pumupunta, so they can use toilets. And also nandoon yung water reservoir natin. So may dalawa tayong connections actually dito para iwas tayo sa shortage ng water. So first is sa LGU, which is a water district, and also meron din tayong deep well na water reservoir. Ayan, so tara, akit tayo. Okay, so nasa taas na tayo. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa 2-story clubhouse na sa itaas. And you can see there, can you see it? That is Davao City. Actually, nandito tayo ngayon sa second highest peak ng Samal Island. But don't worry guys, ang pag-akyat dito is very gradual lang. Hindi siya yung steep, no? Ano siya, gradual lang pag-akyat papunta dito sa subdivision. And the amenities is over here. Ayan, amenities. Yan ang ating basketball court. So for the computation guys and also the specifications of the lot, actually binibenta namin dito lot only ha. Lot only siya para makapili yung client na kung anong gusto niyang property or anong gusto niyang design. So actually nandoon yung mga available na lots. No? Kasi I think 2 to 3 units na lang naiiwan. Kasi very sought after. Sa phase 2, meron pang naiwan, but just contact us on our page. So the regular cut for every unit here or lot unit is 100 square meters, okay? So meron pa tayong natitirang 150, pero 100 square meters yung regular. Then the TCP for that is 2,016,000 and that's with VAT na. And for the reservation fee, that is 20,000. And for the equity, 9,500 per month lang. And also, we will apply na for the pag-ibig kasi ready to use ng property. So that's basically the general information. So for further specific informations that you want to know, just drop a message on our page. Ayan. So, cue the montage. So ayan guys, nakababa na tayo. So I would just like to add information about Pag-ibig. So 'di ba may equity tayo? Then the remaining balance will be applied to Pag-ibig financing. If you chose Pag-ibig ha, then the amortization is 9,000 per month. So for any concerns about your Pag-ibig membership or your Pag-ibig requirements, don't worry guys kasi i-assist namin kayo. So tara, set viewing na tayo. Just message on our page or contact us directly. See you!